You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this fascinating word. There are slightly different pronunciations in English, by the way. If you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned, there are more videos for you. Heterogeneous, British English pronunciation here. Hetero. Some may skip the t syllable and say heterogeneous. Heterogeneous. Now, the American English pronunciation is similar. It uses a flap T that sounds like a D. Heterogeneous in English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.